Next problem. Find the z transformation of n a power n. So let us take f of n which is equal to n a power n. So we know z transformation of n f of n which is equal to, right, multiplication of n. That property we are using minus z into d by dz of f of n. So replacing f of n f of n by n a power n is equal to minus z into d by dz of z a power n. So we know z of a power n which is equal to z transformation of a power n which is equal to z by z minus a. So replacing that, so you will get minus z d by dz of z by z minus a, right? So this is equal to minus z. So now we are going to use the formula d of u by v formula, right? So u by v, derivative of u by v which is equal to, so v squared in denominator, so v du minus u dv, right? So first minus z into, here v is nothing but z minus a and u is nothing but u z, right? U is equal to z. Now v square in denominator, so z minus a whole square, v into, v is nothing but z minus a into derivative of u, derivative of z, dz with respect to dz, that is 1, right? And you keep u is nothing but z, so minus z into derivative of z minus a. Z minus a, derivative of z minus a is derivative of z 1 and derivative of a 0 because a is a constant. So you will get z into 1. So which is equal to minus z into, grouping that one, z minus a minus z. So z and minus z get cancel. So minus into minus plus. So you are having minus a minus z. So a z in the numerator divided by z minus a the whole square. Next one, find the z transformation of r power n cos n theta and r power n sin n theta. Or find z of r power n cos n theta and r power n sin n theta. So we know z of a power n which is equal to z by z minus a, right? Taking a is equal to r e power I theta. So a is equal to r e power I theta means a power n which is equal to r power n e power I n theta. So r power n into e power I n theta using De Moivre's theorem, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So z of r power n e power I n theta, taking z transformation on both sides, z of r power n cos n theta, right? Cos z of r e power I theta whole power n, right? We are grouping that one. So on the left hand side we know r power n e power I n theta which is equal to z of r power n cos n theta plus I sin n theta, that is equal to, so r e power I theta whole power n. So this is nothing but a power n. So taking a which is equal to r e power I theta. So you will get z by z minus r e power I theta using that formula, z of a power n which is equal to z by z minus a. So in the place of having r e power I theta, so z r power n cos n theta plus I r power n sin n theta, multiplying r power n to both terms. So you will get z of r power n cos n theta plus I r power n sin n theta in the left hand side. The right hand side z by z minus, so again using De Moivre's theorem, r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So now we are separating the z transformation on the left hand side, z r power n cos n theta plus I z r power n sin n theta which is equal to z by denominator multiplying with r, right, with minus r cos theta minus I r sin theta, right? So which is equal to z by z minus r cos theta, that is real term, minus I r sin theta imaginary term. So multiplying the conjugate of the denominator term, that is z minus r cos theta minus I r sin theta. That conjugate is z minus r cos theta plus I r sin theta. So multiplying the conjugate with the numerator and denominator, so you will get z into z minus r cos theta plus I into multiplying with both the terms, right, z into r sin theta divided by, in the denominator we are using a plus b into a minus b formula. That is nothing but a square minus b square. So here a is equal to z minus r cos theta. So a square z minus r cos theta the whole square minus b square. Here b is equal to I r sin theta. So b square minus b square means minus I r sin theta the whole square. So I square you know minus 1. So already you are having 1 minus outside. So minus into minus plus r square sin square theta in denominator is equal to z minus r cos theta plus I z r sin theta. So real part and imaginary part in the numerator divided by splitting the denominator completely. So z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So we are grouping the denominator. So first term z square, second term minus 2 z r cos theta. In the third and fourth term r square is constant, take it outside. So r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know cos square theta plus sin square theta value which is equal to 1. So replacing, so you will get the third term r square into 1, that is nothing but r square. So in the denominator you will get z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. So z of r power n cos n theta plus I z of r power n sin n theta, which is equal to, we are separating the real part and imaginary part. So first term z into z minus r cos theta, that is the real part, divided by the denominator z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square plus I into imaginary part z r sin theta divided by the denominator z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. Now see, on the left hand side you are having real part and imaginary part. So in the left hand side you are having the real part is nothing but z of r power n cos n theta, and the imaginary part z of r power n sin n theta. Similarly, in the right hand side the real part is z into z minus r cos theta by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square, that is real part. Imaginary part is z r sin theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. So equating the real and imaginary parts, right, on both sides, you will get that side. So left hand side real part z of r power n cos n theta, which is equal to right hand side real part z into z minus r cos theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square, and the imaginary part in the left hand side z of r power n sin n theta, which is equal to right hand side imaginary part z r sin theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square, right. So you will get the answer, right, for the z transformation of r power n cos n theta, which is equal to z into z minus r cos theta by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. Then z transformation of r power n sin theta is equal to z r sin theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square, right. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.